standard fact is x to the power nothing equals 1. And a lot of people get very, very confused with this, so I'm just going to give you a very short reason why this is true. So I'm going to take you back to, if you take any number, let's say 7, 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1. Nobody's got a problem with that. So if I said 10 divided by 10 is 1, you're not worried with that either. So any number divided by itself is 1. So for instance, we might have a divided by a equals 1. Again, I'm sure you haven't got any problems with that. Anything divided by itself is 1. 1 we can call the multiplicative identity. That means anything we multiply by 1 will give us an answer of the original number, e.g. a times 1 equals a. That's true. That's what makes 1 so special. And also something divided by itself always gives you 1. Now, let's move on a little bit with that. If I take then, let's say x to the power 3 divided by x to the power 3. Something divided by itself is 1. It's this same 1 all the way through. Okay, so now I know that something divided by itself is 1. I'm now going to do that for any power whatsoever. So if I had x to the power a divided by x to the power a, something divided by itself is still 1. You're still not impressed, I can see. But let's finish it off, because if we use the laws of indices now, I get this statement. X to the a divided by x to the a, and you should know what to do with those powers. It's x to the a minus a. Well, a minus a is nothing, so that's x to the nothing. So something divided by itself is 1, but we're also using our laws of indices. Something divided by itself gives me the answer x to the power nothing, and that's where these two link up, because if x to the power nothing is equal to x to the a divided by x to the a, and I also already know that x to the a divided by x to the a is 1, then I can make this statement: x to the power nothing must equal 1 for any values.